get you going. Fucking traction control. Oh shit, right here. Oh, what? You got it made. Fuck.
The hell you banging on?
Oh, little prestige worldwide. Boats and hoes.
Where's that big $7,000 check from Thunder Mountain?
They didn't give us no big one. And I acted like Happy Gilmore too. Said, "Where's mine? You can give me a fucking big one." That guy got one. They made that one have some pretty good shit. I really like being patriotic, showing my love for my presidents and stuff, but we gotta love the guy that invented electricity. Cocaine running in my big veins. Just so y'all know, Cody is OSHA approved.
He got his certification last week.
Look pretty straight. Hell yeah, I'll see what else we can find in the drawers.
Keep up the good work.
We're making very little progress. I need to sell these terror grapplers or mud grapplers or buy a truck one.
Buy a truck for him.
Buy a truck for him one. Anybody got a clean truck cheap? I can throw his tires on.
Gotta have 16-inch wheels.
Yep, gotta be a dually. Really gotta be a second gen, because fuck any other truck.
It's got 16s on it.
Yeah, old 7.3 maybe. Knocks off the pimp van, I mean.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? These are a piece of fucking history right here. Only 330,000 miles on them factory rims.
Got it all pimped out on the inside. Got the Mickey Thompson Alcoa style wheels on it. Let us know what kind of wrap you think we should throw on it. Throw some big smoke tunes on here. Maybe a hood stack.
I'll be buying that cheap shit all the time and I don't fucking need it. I bought that bed yesterday. I mean, $2,000, how could you go wrong?
Yeah.
I'll tell you, I need a tire sponsor for the race car.
Yeah. For every car.
Mainly the race car, though. I'm going to drop that big hoe in there.
Yeah.
I'm just going to play around in there and see what I can find before we bust that whole damn out. Whoop, whoop. What do you think? You think it's going to run on the 85?
Oh, hell. It's going to wash the cylinders out.
See, put a little bit in it. Have to get the truck washed.
I mean,
Just put that lid on.
worst case, it makes an explosion.
Which is better.
Yeah. We could buy another one
Oh,
of these.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You should have let me come over here and got a little bit of love on it.
Huh?
Where's that tough jug when you need it?
Ain't got
Bro,
no
I
gas
seen your
in it.
tough jug. It's a mini. It's like it's big.
That's all he can pick up.
You should see the two.
2.5 gallons.
That's what I seen around the table.
The 1 gallon.
So you think I'll get the big one? I'm like, yeah, I don't know.
You ordered a little one.
Yeah.
Concrete job, dude. Oh my god. He looks like a 3-year came here with a crown and just put this motherfucker on here.
That's all it is.
Welds off. This is all welded on here. This is all welded in.
I know, it's what this concrete job is for.
This is all welded in. They broke the subframes. What happened? You might as well buy another subframe.
Junk. Junk.
What'd you pay for this thing? You're definitely way better off working with the helicopter than this. You got on this ordeal.
I didn't get it.
What else you got?
For everything.
He just picked through everything he wanted. Oh, look, you got a crank cover gasket. You got a heel guard. You got one radiator, another heel guard. Oh, that's a specific heel guard. There it is.
Get break.
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 Swing on
Break.
that. That goes with that. Boy, the new stuff's coming to old stuff real fast.
Got something good in there.
Oh, we got some clutches here.
Where's the Ziploc with all the bolts in it?
Hey, it's coming. We just gotta dig a little deeper.
Got a new clutch cable. Oh,
Alright, we got a new headlight switch.
and lime green radiator hoses.
Hey, we'll put them on a helicopter.
By God.
We got wiring harness.
New finger pusher.
New
New tail light.
We got a clutch basket for the clutches here. So let's just go ahead and set those in there.
Piece for the middle of the handlebars. Stator.
Brake caliper.
Oh, here's all the bolts.
Oh, they're not in a bag though.
In the bottom.
They're just.
These new Penske shocks.
Oh, there's a carburetor slide. That ain't good. The carbs ain't even connected.
OMG.
Oh, what's this right here? We got a cylinder. Oh, that's pretty rough. I think you just called in the elk, right? Here he comes. Oh, here's your engine.
Oh shit, bro. Jane Bart here. Toomey.
Look, this is why they tore it down. We got some scarring right here. Piece of junk. That's what happens when you put that race wheel on that thing. Got a little scarring on this one. Push it.
We got like 8 carbs for this thing.
We got new carb caps, but old carb.
Looks pretty old to me.
Alright, so looks like we have everything. We got a transmission.
New K&E.
Don't ever use red lint rags. Spins bearings every time for everything. I ain't seen no crank rods or nothing though. Like there's no real engine components. You're gonna have to buy all that shit. Crank rods, crank, pistons.
I'd say I want to buy that shit anyway.
Well, when you buy a rebuild kit, it'll come with the crank and rods.
You said it came with everything. We're missing parts then. Call him up. Say, hey man, I'm gonna need about 1,500 of that back.
Shit, I ain't paid him. I ain't paid him yet. What are you talking about?